Godly day blessings. Just my 2 cents for only 999 pesos. Reseller na po kayo sa ating perfume na aromatherapy pa by using our holistic medicine. Ang pabango na instead of application, topical, transdermal therapy, mabango ka na, may healing properties pa with the combination ng ating aromatherapy and obsidian, the black obsidian, and our pink rose quartz necklace. Ito is topical application by using our transdermal therapy or essential oil set, jojoba oil as carrier base oil, and also our pure necklace with a diffuser dropper na ipinapasok po yan sa ating kwintas for our necklace assessment program. Meron din po tayong mga Lux kit na kasama po sa ating package as free. Ito po ay libre. At the same time, part of it, meron din po tayong body mist therapy. Okay, bawat spray mo sa maghapon, ang bango sa katawan mo, may body assessment pa. Kaya maging reseller na, mag-apply ka na, at tayo po ay nakarehistro din as cosmetic products na may notification po tayo na approve po tayo. This part ng ating bioperfume at JM2S. Kaya i-avail nyo na po itong ating mga product with our transdermal obsidian therapy, including also ng ating aromatherapy. This one is the combination approach by healing properties by using herbs and organic materials na ginagamit po sa ating perfume. Meron po tayong tinatawag na lavender, eucalyptus, lemongrass, peppermint, and tea tree as natural antibacterial properties. Andyan po ang ating mga price list. We have also our body mist as for only 139 pesos. Kaya lahat po ng ating product, get your free ng ating libreng Bioenergize po sa ating Bayanihan Wellness Clinic. Bisita po kayo for the high potency application ng Bioenergize therapy with the combination ng ating BRT. At every first Sunday of the month, nasa SM Mall po tayo for our Bayanihan Wellness Pilipinas. You're all invited to join us. Be a part of this. Maging kabahagi kayo nitong ating health and wellness ng ating Black Obsidian necklace. At andito po ang properties na makakuha po kayo ng mga libreng gaya po ng ating avocado oil as carrier base oil with a combination ng ating jojoba. Kino-combine po natin siya para sa topical application. This one is very safe. It's pure gold into bioperfume. At sa lahat po ng ating VIP member ng ating Matrix, you get it as free and special rates discount. Kaya kumain po tayo at maging healthy ng mga gulay na herbs na combination na i-combine po natin sa ating pang-araw-araw. This one is only 299 pesos, lalo na po sa mga reseller. Maging kabahagi po kayo nito for our bioperfume aromatherapy. Get your free, bioenergize nyo po ang inyong mga products. For free, libre lang po ito. So, be one of us. Be one of us as reseller for only 999 pesos. And get also a free energy healing. Meron po tayong mga energy healing function na ginagawa. This one is for free. You can join us sa ating Aero Tai Chi for anti-aging, health and fitness, bantay kalusugan. Kasi ang regular exercise na ginagawa natin ay routine by using our breathing method. Ang breathing method natin ay dun po natin nai-inhale ang ating essential oils for aromatherapy, balancing the balance of life. Welcome to the world of Exceed, JM2S.
Saan naman takot? The opposite of takot. So, kailangan maging the brave man tayo lahat. Maging the brave one. Ano? Brave heart, including saan siya nakatutok. The creator from heaven. The only God. At the same time, ginawa natin sa kaliwa. Just point your index finger up. Dahil natin lang doon sa to your inner ear and upper side. Papasok. Pero ito, ipipress mo yung dulo pataas. Naglinis mo ng tenga. Kaya pataas na, ang tusok yung sa taas. You know why? Lalo na kung medyo tayo nagkakainan na, ano na yung dementia. You know dementia or Alzheimer's disease, anyone. That is pointed up and press it. Make it pressure. We have pressure 1 on low pressure. Pressure 2 is moderate. Make it pressure 3 hard press. Deep breathing. Kadating mo ng bilang. Kadating mo ng bilang. Then deep breathing. Inhale. Press up. Hold your breath. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. 1,005. Release. Makikita niyo umiiyak siya. Yung may feeling sensation. Yung suso mo, yung pinpoint, hindi kasi tayo abutin ng acupuncture needle. Hindi siya naliliputusok to. So ito lang makakagawa. Okay na ito. The symbol, ano natin ng RT, di ba? Ito lang yung natin yun. Okay.
That's the energy healing benefit of our black obsidian. Okay, this time I would like to introduce our Maleta VIP. Welcome to our Exceed MLM launching po tayo. Lahat po tayo pioneering pa lang po dito. Kaya samantalahin po natin ito, complete set, maging VIP na. At take your personal aromatherapy burner, nakasama po yan sa ating maleta. At syempre, yung combination po ng ating essential oils and carrier base oil. At may yin and yang po tayo na ang tawag natin ay the yin yang perfume. Etong ating black obsidian, gaya ng natapik ko kanina sa ating health and wellness, pag hindi po gagamitin, pwede nyo pong ipatong ng overnight sa ating Himalayan crystal salt na kasama po ang ating burner ng essential oils and aromatherapy. At syempre gagamitin nyo po ang lavender for calming during bedtime. Meron po tayong 6 variant ng ating aromatherapy essential oils. This one, the powerful of pure lavender. Lalo na po sa may mga insomniac, yung hirap magkatulog. Gising sa gabi, tulog sa umaga. So, para mag-penetrate po yan, tuturuan namin kayo ng libreng workshop sa ating health and wellness. Lahat po ng mag-a-avail at magpo-purchase ng ating aromatherapy essential oils, burner, catalyst, at yung ating diffuser. Okay, you can avail in our different colors. Meron po tayong pre-crystals, Himalayan. At the same time, pag kinumbine po natin siya sa ating mga essential oils, lalo na itong ating perfume na kinumbine po natin sa, syempre, yung aromatherapy burner. At nagbalansi po ito, libre na rin po ang ating bioenergize sa ating machine. At itong paggamit itong jojoba, pwede po natin gamitin yan sa burner, yung aromatherapy burner with a combination of essential oils. It's depend to your ailments, kung ano po ang bagsak na kondisyon ng inyong katawan. For example, meron po tayong mga external application at ito po ay nagbabalanse ng enerhiya ng katawan ng tao. At pag na-absorb na po ng maghapon ng obsidian, black obsidian natin na kwintas, pwede nyo na pong ilagay yan sa ating Himalayan crystal salt na may combination po para ma-release all kinds of negative reactions na nahihigop mula sa katawan mo. Ipatong na po yan sa ating crystal salt na bioenergize na po siya. Paano magpa-bioenergize? Dadalhin mo lang po yan sa ating clinic, sa ating Bayanihan Wellness Clinic. And you can avail also our Yin Yang perfume for only 299 pesos. Sa 999 pesos, absolutely, you're one of our reseller at member ka na sa ating JM2S. And you got also, this is a free. May mga libre din po tayo pag ikaw po ay Exceed VIP. You can avail our manipulation of spine. That's a full application po, lalo na kung meron kayong mga leg tension. Mahal po magpaganito, lalo na po mag-raw method technique. Ang tawag po natin, this is a Japanese method, ang application natin with the Dorn, including also, syempre, yung tinatawag nating anti-aging. That's healthy benefit ng ating Guasha therapy. Libre po itong application na ito pag ikaw po ay VIP Exceed Matrix member ka na po. At syempre po, ang daming benefit. Pioneering po tayo lahat. So, what are you waiting for? Earn passive income. Be one of us. Reseller na for only 999 pesos. Click the button and exceed your life. Be one of us. Be one of our reseller na. 999 pesos. May kasama ka na pong 20 bottles ng ating tester kit at may kasama ka pa pong 2 big bottle for men and women, the Yin and Yang perfume with a combination po ng ating libreng assessment and BRT bioresonance therapy for only 299 pesos.